Okay, so for right now, let's just focus on the frequency analysis. And we're going to leave the pulse width, the PRI, and the rep rate all the same, but we're going to change the center frequency. And you should see on the spectrum display, this peak, which is on max hold right now, we can clear that. It's telling us this pulse right now is coming in at 100 megahertz. But we're going to change that in 100 megahertz increments. On the pulse generator, and we should see that reflected in the frequency display. We're going to go up to 800. Now we're going to go up to 1200. Oops. And I'm going to push the limits of the D to A. Sorry, the A to D. So let's go back to 1200 and then 50 this time. Whoops. All right. So if you look at the center frequency of the first event trigger, 1 every second, it's got the correct center frequency at 1250 megahertz and the correct rep rate. So now what we're going to do, let's clear this frequency display. We're going to go back to, say, 400 megahertz. You should see the histogram come to 400 megahertz. And we're going to increase the number of pulses. By changing the rep rate. As you can see, the PDWs logged has increased by a factor of 10 per second. And you'll see that reflected in the event log trigger as well. And we can go down even again. And you can see it a much higher rep rate. And we're going to change the frequency one more time to 600. You can show you the time scale. And the next thing we're going to do too is increase the number of pulses to 10. Sorry, let's make it 5. And change the waterfall speed. Okay, we'll show you a few more features in just another second.